Can you fry cake batter? Is it possible to fry cake? Okay, this was a thought that has been, stirring in my mind, and today I decided to give it a try. I think there was a time I tried this though, and I decided to retry it again this time around, so that I'm going to share it with you guys if it's possible to fry cake batter. So guys, if you have these two things you see here, yes, these two things you see here, join me. Let's make something special today. So for this special treat, you start with 1 heaped spoon of butter or margarine, just as you see in this video. Then you're going to be adding 1 large egg to that. So after adding this 1 large egg, the next thing you add is your flour. You see 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 eating spoons of all-purpose flour and 1.5 eating spoon of granulated sugar. Then you go in with your flavor. I'm using City Touch cream vanilla flavor. Then you go ahead and combine it together, just as you see me do in this video. So if you are using a mixer, fine. If you are using your hand, just go ahead and combine it just as you see me do in the video. Okay, now once you are done combining it this way, you're going to go in with extra flour. I added extra 1.5 eating spoon of flour. Then I brought in my drink. So this is the drink. You can use any drink of your choice anyways. It mustn't be this particular one exactly, but you can use any drink of your choice. So to that I added 1 and 2 cups of this drink into the mixture or into my batter. Then I combine everything just as you see in this video. Make sure you combine it so well, just as you see me do. Now once I was done combining that, I brought in my biscuits. Okay, so I didn't add all the biscuit anyways. I added half of it. Okay, but if you feel like adding all, it's your choice, but I added half of it. And also you can use any soft biscuit of your choice. Then after adding the biscuit, you go in with the drink, the number of cups you see me add into this. And once you add it, you combine it first with the biscuit and then you join it with the rest of the batter as you see in this video. So make sure that you combine it so well, mix it very well, beat it very well, cream it very well until everything is so mixed. Next, I added just a pinch of egg yellow. This egg yellow is a food color, so it's optional if you don't want to use it, but if you want to use it, fine, just add just a little bit of it so it doesn't turn out too yellowish. Though guys, I missed adding my baking powder. So here I added almost half teaspoon of baking powder. It's not equal, it's not up to half tea, but almost half teaspoon of baking powder. Then I heated up my oil. Make sure your oil has heated up to medium temperature. It's not going to be too high, it's not going to be too low, just medium high heat. So for you to test your oil, you can just make a drop of the batter into the oil, and once it starts sizzling just like this, then you're going to reduce the heat a bit before putting in your batter. Now for you to put on your batter, you can use a spoon or you can use this scoop, okay, this ice cream scoop. Just take a little batch and scoop in, a little batch and scoop in, a little batch and scoop in, and that's it. Also, if the batter you made is much, you can also use the way you mold in puff inside the oil. You can still use that method to mold it into the oil and it will also come out well. Make sure also that your oil is not too high. Medium high is okay, not too high, not too low. And make sure you fry it gently, and make sure also that you are stirring it from time to time so that it doesn't over brown. And once it turns out like golden brown like this can take up to like 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high heat, and then you take it out. Also, you can use your hand to mold it. Just make sure you wash your hands and you mold it. Like I said, you can mold it just this way if you're making small ones, or you can mold it like the way you mold it puff if you're making medium sized ones. And just like that, you have this amazing cake. Like it's just like frying your cake. It's just like frying your cake. Like it tastes so good, guys. This is a must try and it's a good business to go by. See you guys in my next.